Hello and welcome. My name is Wendy, and on this video I'll be looking at how to book the UK driving test. So make sure that you are ready to take your driving test and that you've had some lessons with a professional driving instructor. You can only book your test once you've passed your theory test. And you'll also need to take your theory test certificate with you when you take your driving test. If you have lost your theory test certificate, you can go to the uk.gov website. I'll include the link below in the description box. You will need your driving license number and a credit or debit card. If you want to make sure that you don't double book your driving instructor, you can also enter the personal reference number. Go to the uk.gov website. I'll put the link for you in the description below. Enter your details and any special requirements such as disabilities, conditions or pregnancy. If you need to change your test and get an earlier date, you can either contact the DVSA to see if you can get an earlier date, or you can use Driving Test Genie. It's a service where they will look for an earlier driving test for you. You pay a small fee. If you click the link in the description box below, you'll get a small discount. You can change your driving test up to 6 times, otherwise you have to cancel and rebook it. If you fail your driving test and you need to rebook, you can't retake it for 10 working days. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and follow us on social media. Till next time, bye bye.